Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. Today we're taking a look at the world of crypto. So, much of the focus of late has been on the price performance of Bitcoin, and that has overshadowed other developments in the cryptocurrency's ecosystem. News broke this week about the performance of the Bitcoin blockchain, and in particular its hash rate, which rose by 31.69% in a single day, jumping to 248.11 exahashes per second. We can think of the hash rate as a measure of the speed and computing processing power operating within the blockchain. Blockchain participants try to guess or break the values of blocks of randomly generated hashes created by the Bitcoin ecosystem in a process known as mining. Each time a miner completes or solves a block of hashes, the transactions stored within that block are validated and are added to the blockchain ledger. The successful miners receive 6.25 Bitcoin as a reward for their proof of work. The term exahash refers to a quintillion operations per second. A quintillion is a 1 with 18 zeros behind it. In short, the Bitcoin blockchain has never been more powerful or crunched data at a faster rate than it does currently. An advancing and higher hash rate is seen as a sign of stability and bodes well for the future. Cryptocurrency brokers and exchanges splashed the cash at the weekend with a series of Super Bowl advertisements. Coinbase invited viewers to scan a QR code that bounced slowly around the screen. Scanning the code took them to a landing page where they were able to enter a Bitcoin giveaway contest. The ad, which lasted just for 30 seconds, was said to have cost $14 million, but it generated enough interest to crash the Coinbase website. Rival exchange operator FTX signed up comedian Larry David for its commercial, in which Mr. David was depicted throughout history dismissing key inventions and events such as the wheel, the Declaration of Independence, the moon landings, and the release of FTX crypto app with strapline, "Don't be like Larry." Broker and investment platform eToro focused on social trading with a cloud of investors and traders asking questions and swapping information amongst themselves as they floated through the sky above skyscrapers to the sounds of "Fly Me to the Moon." Not to be left out, Crypto.com's commercial featured LeBron James giving advice to his younger self in 2003 with the message, "Fortune favors the brave." Just one day before the ad aired, James had been confirmed as the highest-scoring NBA player in history. In a surprise development, the Department of the Treasury is set to exempt cryptocurrency miners and what it called other ancillary parties from tax reporting rules. The proposal was contained in a letter sent to a group of U.S. senators on Friday. Treasury Assistant Secretary for Legislative Affairs Jonathan Davidson said that the Treasury's position is that miners and ancillary parties who cannot get access to information that is useful to the IRS are not intended to be captured by the reporting requirements for brokers. November's $1 trillion infrastructure bill contained provisions that required crypto market transactions of $10,000 or more to be reported to the IRS. The Treasury now looks to be clarifying who is and isn't implicated by that ruling, and is thought likely to set out what it believes constitutes a broker in a series of new regulatory proposals that follow on from lobbying by senators who argued for clearer definitions in the bill.